this guide, I will be showing you guys how to claim the Discord Nitro Mega Sale 2026 free offer on the Epic Games Store. Let's get started. First, make sure the promotion is active, which runs from May 14, 2026 to June 11, 2026. This free offer gives eligible users 1 month of Discord Nitro, but it's only available for users who haven't subscribed to Nitro in the past 12 months, so make sure you meet the requirements before trying to claim it. Now here's how to claim it. Open the Epic Games launcher or visit the Epic Games Store on your browser and log into your account. In the search bar, type Discord and look for the official Discord app listing. Once you find it, add it to your Epic Games library by clicking the Get or Install option. After that, go to your library and confirm that Discord has been added successfully. Once it is in your library, follow the instructions provided on the Discord promotion page inside Epic Games. You will typically receive a redemption link or code that you can use to activate your free month of Nitro on your Discord account. Make sure to read the free Discord Nitro offer FAQ for eligible details and terms before claiming. And that's basically it. You now know how to claim the Discord Nitro free offer during the Epic Games Mega Sale. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.